Just going into the lounge on deck 5 of the shipboard consultant's office. Oodles of seating. The shore excursions desk. And this goes down to the bar area at the bottom. This is somewhere you can come and have cocktails in the evening. We did sample a couple of drinks in here last night before we went up to the Panorama Lounge. Oh, too fast, sorry. And then we have the reception desk in the other corner.